Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Falsa Margarita, only way. Muddle watermelon, strain into a pitcher, then add lime juice, mezcal or tequila, agave, and a pinch of salt. Stir until smooth and chill briefly in the fridge. Rim glasses with lime and chili salt, pour over ice, and garnish with a lime wheel. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed, then serve cold for best refreshment and vivid presentation. Begin by preparing all ingredients on a clean surface for a smooth workflow and fewer interruptions. Muddle fruit with a little agave to extract juices, then strain into a mixing glass filled with ice. Add measured lime juice, mezcal or tequila, and stir gently for 10 to 15 seconds to combine and chill. Taste and fine-tune, then pour over fresh ice in prepared glasses and garnish simply. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful recipes and tips for you. Quick recommendation. On another note, I enjoy reading while sipping cocktails, and the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading anywhere and unwinding between sips. Check the description for the product link and deals I mentioned. Now let's get back to the video. For playful variations, try cucumber or pineapple in place of watermelon to explore flavor contrasts and different textures. Use mezcal for smokiness or classic tequila for brightness. Both work well with lime and salt. If serving a crowd, scale ingredients linearly to maintain balance and chill the pitcher before adding ice to avoid dilution. Garnish with citrus or herbs to complement the base flavors for a memorable presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.